Welcome to MarineMax of Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberley, and today we're going to do a video tour of the Scout 320 LXF. One of the first things you'll note about this boat is its Carolina Classic design, meaning that this boat has a lot of shear. This provides an incredibly dry ride when offshore. Coupled with a 23-degree dead rise, the boat will travel through rough water with ease. Up forward, the cleats recess into the deck. You have an electric windlass that may be controlled either up here forward or back at the helm. I'm standing here on top of what might be a dual-purpose platform. In one aspect, it can be used for fishing, and the other, it's a great forward sun lounging area. Note that the boat has gunnel bolsters that run throughout the vessel. This provides a couple of different aspects. One is, of course, comfort, but also safety. The boat also has guide rails or handrails that run the length of the vessel. These bolsters are great for young children. Their head height and shoulders will match up with this bolster as opposed to some competitive boats where they're going to be meeting solid glass. In a rough sea, you don't want that happening. In the center console, there's plenty of storage. In this area here, this is great for bait tackle. The hull itself, again, I cannot get out of this boat. The sides are quite high up forward, so if you're at the helm and the children are up here, they're not getting out of this boat. As an adult, again, the grab rails, coupled with the bolsters, I'm well protected and staying in the vessel. As we move aft, the Carolina Classic design sweeps the gunnel down lower. In this part of the boat, this makes it easier to take gear on and off the dock, or also, perhaps from a fishing aspect, you can have the kids back here in calm water in a cove-like setting. The transom gate offers what I call salt life access. You can be snorkeling, tubing, water skiing, whatever you want, and gain access through this transom. The boat carries 222 gallons of fuel. It's powered by twin Yamaha 300 outboard engines. This is a reliable pair of engines that can take you offshore easily with range from Newport to Martha's Vineyard, from Miami to the Abacos. On the port side of the vessel, I just want to point out a dive door. Also beneath that is about a 100-gallon tackle box, fish box, pardon me. Port side and starboard side, matching boxes. Here is a live bait well, sink, rod holders, additional storage underneath this helm seat, and then aft again, you have a folding out transom seat, again for entertaining or just getting out of your gear from having a great swim. I'm going to take the camera now, and I'm going to show you the helm. This is where the 12-inch dual displays show you your GPS, depth, and engine monitoring system. Up above in the hardtop, there's additional area to add more electronics if you wish. You can also note there are 4 stereo speakers up here. As we move forward, you'll see that within the center console itself, there's a nice size head, inlaid teak and holly flooring and accent, mirror, sink, an additional dive ladder, and also up forward you have more rod storage. So that's our tour today of the Scout 320 LXF. Thank you for watching. We hope to hear from you soon.